welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make more Kulambu. This is a very delicious and authentic recipe in Kerala. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixer jar, add half cup of coconut, 3 green chillies, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a small piece of ginger. To this, add 2 tablespoons of water and grind it to a fine paste. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and to the same mixer jar, add 200 ml of curd, and 2 tablespoons of water. Blend this well. Keep this ready. Now let's go and make the lady's finger more Kulambu. Heat a mud pot and to this add a tablespoon of oil. To this add 5 to 6 chopped lady's finger. Fry for 2 minutes in medium flame until the lady's finger is nicely done. It's been 2 minutes and the lady's finger is nicely done, so remove the lady's finger and set it aside. To the same oil, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a few curry leaves, 2 dried red chillies and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix it well. Then to this add the fried lady's finger, the ground coconut paste, a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. To this add 1 cup of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so add the curd mixture and cook for 2 minutes in low flame. It's been 2 minutes now, so let's off the flame. Now our delicious lady's finger more Kulambu is ready. Allow it to cool completely. Then serve it with a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and healthy recipe. So do try this lady's finger more Kulambu recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.